Are you craving for something simple and delicious? Then this egg stew is a perfect choice for you. This recipe combines fresh ingredients and flavorful spices to create a delicious Ghanaian style stew that you can pair with your yam, some boiled plantain, and also with your rice. This stew is so simple and quick to put together. Let's go and prepare it. Into a pot, I'll go in with my oil, let it heat for some few minutes. I then went in with my onion. So I also went ahead to add some rosemary and I will let this fry for some few minutes, about 4 minutes, before I will then proceed with my other ingredient. So guys, after 4 minutes, I'll just give this a quick stir and then go in with my chopped habanero pepper. So these are the pepper I will be using, and I also added my blended garlic and ginger, which I've already froze it, and I will just give this a quick stir and then cover it again. So after 4 minutes, I will stir everything all together, and then I will proceed with my other ingredient. So I went in with my chopped tomatoes, and also I went in with my cooked tripe. So I will then give this a quick stir, then cover it. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are most welcome. I'm Getty. Welcome to my channel where I share easy recipes. So after some time, I will just stir this beautifully. And guys, as I said earlier on, this recipe is so quick. So now I went in with some all-purpose spice, some curry powder, and I also went in with some mixed spice and also seasoning cube and salt. I will then stir everything until they are all well combined. And I want to give a shout out to my new and returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my videos, leaving a comment. Thank you guys so much. I'm truly grateful. So after some time on the fire, I'll just give this a stir and then go in with my egg, and in all I use 5 eggs. So I still want some of the egg to be very chunk in the stew. So after pouring this, I'll just cover it, and after some few minutes, here is our stew. I will just give this a gentle stir, and guys, the aroma smells so amazing, guys. This was so quick and easy to make, and you will love this. This is perfect for breakfast and even for dinner as well. So now I went in with some sardine, and I also added my carrot and some bell pepper. You can add any vegetables of your choice to this recipe, and just look at the outcome. It's so mouth-watering, guys. So I'll just stir this and let this be on the fire for just some few minutes, because we still want our vegetables to be crunchy. So now I'll go ahead and then just cover it for just some few minutes. Okay, lovelies, our easy, delicious, chunky egg stew recipe is ready, and the outcome is so lovely. And if you have watched me up to this point, it means you like what you are seeing. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share this video to get to more people. You can watch me on Facebook and also watch my short videos on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube short as well. The name is Getty Cooks. Let me know what you pair with this stew in the comment section below. I went ahead to pair mine with rice. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you in my next upload.